So in conclusion, presence of oak savanna ecosystems are in decline across the nation due to anthropogenic land conversion and fire suppression policies. These park-like ecosystems rely on periodic fire and grazing disturbances to remove understory, duff, competitive saplings, exotic grasses and forbs, as well as returning essential minerals and nutrients to the soil. Historical and paleoecological records indicate that oak savannas were created and maintained through naturally occurring and Native American-induced fire disturbance prior to Euro-American westward migration. Ecosystem-type conversions to oak woodland or conifer forests, novel grasslands, through the introduction and succession of exotic grass species, or anthropogenic demands including agriculture, infrastructure, and encroachment, threatened their existence. To preserve the remaining systems and restore their historical presence, land managers must champion their existence, collaborating with other federal agencies, tribal, state, and local governments, non-government organizations, and private citizens to help secure funding and provide unpaid workforces. Community involvement and education will pay dividends towards that cause. Active management and diligent monitoring of restoration projects focus on research that can identify gaps in knowledge is paramount. Gaps in disturbance research still exist. Long-term research to determine post-treatment effects is necessary. As a fire-dependent ecosystem, fire intervals vary between 5 and 22 years. However, use of fire is contraindicated when engaged against air quality restrictions and local residences. Further studies are required to track the benefits of long-term non-fire modalities, i.e. grazing and mechanical thinning, without fire in these locations. Individual species success in both flora and fauna in light of differing treatments and combinations thereof should also be studied. As factors like climate change and encroachment continue to shape the landscape, government agencies, appointed land managers, and the scientific community must strive to conserve and preserve all of the natural resources in their charge.